Ahly stand firm on Jose Rivero despite a Club World Cup setback. Despite a narrow 1-0 defeat to Palmeiras at the FIFA Club World Cup, Al Ahly's hierarchy has thrown its full support behind head coach Jose Rivero, dismissing any talk of an early dismissal. The loss marked Rivero's first setback at the helm of the Egyptian Giants and sparked a wave of criticism from supporters frustrated by the team's sluggish start to the prestigious tournament. However, according to reports from Arabic outlet Kura, the club's leadership remains committed to their long-term vision under the Spanish tactician. The source said, Rivero will continue in his position and will not leave. Al Ahly appointed the coach to improve the team's overall performance. It is illogical to evaluate him based on just two official matches. Al Ahly's leadership acknowledged the disappointment among fans following Thursday's result, but stressed the importance of patience and perspective. The club insists that its managerial evaluations are based on full season performances rather than early results or isolated setbacks, and that the club's management understands the supporters' anger over the loss to Palmeiras, but the coach is working with dedication, and historically Al Ahly has never judged a coach on a piecemeal basis. Rivera, who arrived with the mandate to refine and elevate the team's style of play, now faces the challenge of turning early adversity into momentum. And while frustrations among the Red Devils faithful may linger, the message from the boardroom is clear. Stability and continuity come first. With the backing of the board intact, Rivero's focus now shifts to regrouping the squad and ensuring Al Ahly bounce back in their remaining fixtures. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.